Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Teacher English Speaking Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Lucy.
Hello, Lucy. Hello, everyone. It's so good to be here today.
Hi, Tom. You look very happy today. How are you doing?
I am fantastic, thank you. But, Lucy, I have a small problem.
Oh, a problem? What is it?
It's my stomach. It's already thinking about lunch. I am so hungry.
Hungry already? Tom, it's not even 11 o'clock.
I know, but I was just thinking about a big, delicious hamburger with melted cheese and French fries. Oh, and a soda.
Okay, stop. Now you are making me hungry too. That sounds so good. I'm thinking about a fresh salad or maybe some pasta.
See? It's a great topic, and it's something everyone loves. Food.
You are absolutely right. And that makes it a perfect topic for our podcast today. Let's talk about going to a restaurant.
Yes, a restaurant. But you know, for many people learning English, this can be a little scary.
That's so true. You sit down, you get the menu, and there are so many new words. You think, what do I say first? How do I ask for the menu? How do I order?
Exactly. But don't worry. Today, we are going to help you. We will teach you all the simple, polite phrases you need to order food easily and with confidence.
That's our plan. And if you're ready to learn, show us some love by hitting that like button and subscribe so you never miss a lesson.
Okay, Lucy, I am ready. I am standing at the door of the restaurant. What is the first thing I say?
Great question. You walk inside and you will see a person. This person is the host or the waiter. You just smile and say, hello.
Hello. Simple. I can do that.
Exactly. Now you need a table. So this is our first important phrase. You say, a table for two, please.
A table for two, please. Ah, because it's me and you.
That's right. If you are alone, you say, a table for one, please. If you are with three friends, you say, a table for four, please. You just change the number.
That is so easy. A table for number, please. Got it.
The waiter will then say something like, this way, please, or follow me, please. You follow them, and they give you a table. You sit down.
Okay, I am at the table. What's next? Do I tell them I want the hamburger?
Not yet. First, you need to see the food. You need the menu. This is our second phrase. You ask politely, can I have the menu, please?
Can I have the menu, please? That sounds very polite.
Yes, using can I have and please is very important in English. It's friendly and polite.
Okay, so the waiter gives me the menu. I open it, and whoa, there are so many words. Starters, main courses, desserts.
Don't worry, let's explain that.
Starters are the small dishes you eat first, right? Like soup or a small salad.
Exactly. Then the main course is the big main part of the meal. This is your hamburger or pasta or fish.
And dessert? That's the best part.
That's the sweet food at the end, like cake or ice cream. And drinks are, water, soda, or juice.
Okay, I understand the menu. I have decided. I am ready. The waiter comes back. What do they say?
The waiter will usually ask, are you ready to order?
Are you ready to order? And I can say, yes, I am.
Perfect. Or if you need more time, you can say, no, not yet. Just a minute, please.
Just a minute, please. That is very useful. But today, I am hungry, so I say, Yes, I am. I do feel more confident. But Lucy, in our role play, everything was perfect. The food was right, the service was fast, but what if there is a problem?
That is a fantastic question, Tom. It's something many learners worry about.
Exactly. For example, what if I order the hamburger but the waiter brings me fish?
A very common situation. It happens. The most important thing is, don't be angry, just be polite.
Okay, polite. So first I say, "Excuse me," to get their attention.
That's the perfect start. Then you just explain the problem very simply. You can say, I'm sorry, but I think this is a mistake.
I think this is a mistake. A mistake, M-I-S-T-A-K-E, means something is wrong, right?
Exactly. It means it's not correct. Then you can simply say, I ordered the hamburger.
Ah, I ordered, using the past tense. I ordered the hamburger, but this is fish.
That is perfect. Or you could say, I'm sorry, I didn't order this.
I didn't order this. That's very simple and clear.
Yes, the waiter will almost always say, Oh, I am so sorry. And they will fix it. They will take the fish and bring you the hamburger.
Okay, that's not so scary. So, I'm sorry and I ordered are the key phrases.
You got it.
Okay, what about another problem? What if the food is correct, I get my hamburger, but it's cold?
Oh, no one likes cold French fries. That's a good question.
So what do I say?
It's almost the same. First, excuse me,
Excuse me.
and then you can say, I'm sorry to bother you, but my food is cold.
Bother. What does bother mean?
To bother someone means to interrupt them or cause a small problem for them. Saying, I'm sorry to bother you is a very, very polite way to start a complaint.
I see. It's a soft way to say there is a problem. I'm sorry to bother you, but my soup is cold.
That's exactly right. Or you can ask a question. I'm sorry, but could you please heat this up?
Heat this up?
Yes, to heat up means to make something hot or warm. The waiter will understand immediately and take your plate to the kitchen to make it hot.
These phrases are like magic keys. They solve the problems.
They are. And I have one more tip for you, Tom. What if you look at the menu and you don't know what to order? Everything is new.
Oh, that happens to me all the time. I just close my eyes and pick one.
That's one way, but a better way is to ask the waiter for help.
You can do that? What do you say?
You can ask, what do you recommend?
Recommend. R-R-E-C-O-M-M-E-N-D. That's a new word for me.
It's a wonderful word. To recommend means to suggest something, or to tell someone what you think is good. So, what do you recommend means, what food do you think is good here?
I love that. What do you recommend?
Or you can ask a very simple question. What is popular?
What is popular? Oh, I know popular. It means many people like it or order it.
You got it. The waiter might say, Oh, our chicken pasta is very popular. And you can say, Okay, I'll have that.
Wow, Lucy. Now I really feel ready. We learned how to order, how to ask for things, how to solve problems like cold food, and now how to ask for recommendations.
See, it's all very simple. You don't need to know 100 words. You just need 5 or 6 very useful phrases.
This is great. I think we have covered everything.
I think so too. Now, I think everyone is ready for a quick review of the most important points. Great! Now is the most important part, ordering your food. Many students say, I want a hamburger. This is okay, but it's not very polite.
Oh? So what is a better way to say it?
A much better, more polite phrase is, I would like.
I would like. Ah, that sounds nicer.
Yes, so you say, I would like the hamburger, please. Remember to add please.
I would like the hamburger, please. I like that. It sounds very natural.
It is. There is another great phrase you can use, which is very common. You can say, I'll have.
I'll have. What does that mean?
It's short for I will have. It's very natural and friendly. I'll have the pasta, please.
Oh, I like that one. I'll have the hamburger, please. It makes me sound like I speak English very well.
It does. So you have two great choices. I would like or I'll have. Both are perfect.
Okay, so I ordered my hamburger. Then the waiter will ask about drinks, right?
Yes, they will probably ask, would you like anything to drink?
And I can use the same phrases. I would like a soda, please. Or, I'll have a water, please.
Exactly, Tom. You're a natural. It's the same pattern. I would like or I'll have.
This is great. But Lucy, what if I need something? For example, my water is empty and I want more water.
That's a great question. You need to get the waiter's attention. You don't shout. You just try to make eye contact and say, excuse me.
Excuse me. Okay.
And when the waiter comes, you use our other phrase. Can I have... So, excuse me, can I have some more water, please?
Can I have some more water, please? That's just like asking for the menu.
It is. Can I have is for asking for things. I would like is for ordering.
I see. And what about at the end, when I am finished and I want to pay?
Same phrases. You say, excuse me, can I have the bill, please?
The bill?
Yes, or you can say the check. Both are correct. Bill is common in the UK and check is common in the US, but everyone understands both. Can I have the check, please?
Wow, I think I can do this. It's just a few easy phrases.
It is. You just need to remember them. You know what, Tom? Let's practice.
A role play. I love role plays.
Me too. It's the best way to learn. Okay, I will be the waiter and you be the customer. Are you ready?
I am ready. I am walking into your restaurant.
Hello, sir. Welcome.
Hello. A table for one, please.
Of course. This way, please. Here is your table.
Thank you. Can I have the menu, please?
Certainly. Here you are. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I am. I would like the tomato soup to start, please.
1 tomato soup. And for your main course?
I'll have the hamburger with French fries, please.
An excellent choice. And would you like anything to drink?
Yes, I'll have a soda, please.
Perfect. So that is 1 tomato soup, 1 hamburger, and 1 soda.
That's right. Thank you.
Walk away and come back. Tom finishes his meal.
Excuse me.
Yes, sir. Is everything okay?
Yes, it was delicious, thank you. Can I have the check, please?
Of course. Here you are.
Thank you very much.
Tom, that was perfect. You were a 10 out of 10 customer.
Thank you. It's easy when you use those phrases. I felt very confident.
And you sounded great. And everyone listening can do this too.
Wow, Lucy, that was so helpful. And our role play made it very easy to remember.
I'm so glad. It really is simple when you break it down. So let's do a quick review of the most important phrases from today.
Good idea. What was the first one?
First, when you arrive, you need to ask for a table. You say, a table for 1, please, or a table for 2, please.
A table for... and the number. Got it. What's next?
Second, when you need to ask for something, like the menu or the bill, you use, can I have, please?
Yes. Can I have the menu, please? Or, can I have the check, please?
Perfect. And finally, the most important phrase for ordering your food and drinks.
I remember this one. You say, I would like, or the very natural phrase, I'll have.
That's it. I would like the chicken, please. Or, I'll have a soda, please. If you just remember those 3 main structures, you can have a full, successful conversation at a restaurant.
That is great. So, Lucy, what is our golden tip for today? What is the number one thing our listeners should remember?
My golden tip today is all about politeness.
Politeness?
Yes, don't worry so much about having perfect grammar or a big vocabulary. The most important thing is to be friendly and polite. Using simple words like please and thank you is so important.
Oh, that's so true.
A smile, please, and thank you are understood in every language. When you are polite, people want to help you. So don't be afraid. Just keep it simple, keep it polite, and smile.
That's wonderful advice. Keep it simple and smile. I love that. It makes me feel much more confident.
And that's the goal. Confidence is the key.
That really is perfect advice. Well, Lucy, that's all the time we have for today. Thank you so much for this helpful lesson.
And thank you, Tom, for being such a great customer. And thank you all so much for joining us.
Yes, thank you, everyone. We hope you feel more ready to visit a restaurant and order in English.
And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified about our next lesson. And please share this episode with anyone who is learning English.
And for today's practice question, we want to know, what is your favorite food to order at a restaurant?
Ooh, yes, I want to read the answers. Tell us your favorite food. Is it pizza, pasta, or maybe a hamburger like Tom?
Leave your answer in the comments below. We'd love to read them.
Until next time, keep practicing and have a great day. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, everyone. Bye for now.